Hey guys, hope all of you are well and welcome to your channel. And in this video, we are going to discuss how to train yourself for UPSC exam. So if you want to train yourself for UPSC exam, if you want to prepare yourself, if you want to do everything yourself for this exam, then first I am always telling you, you have to know what is the basic requirement of UPSC exam. The basic requirement of UPSC exam is to find out the original you. I'm emphasizing the word here, original you. UPSC is always searching those aspirants who have the originality within themselves. So what is the originality? How to acquire the quality of originality. For that, I am giving you two examples. First, let's see the first example from the cooking. See, we all know that dhokla is prepared from besan, suji. That's why this is the first version. That means this is the original version of preparing dhokla. Right. But some chefs prepare the another version of dhokla with additional flour mixing with besan and suji. That means this version means adding some another flour to prepare dhokla is the second version. Right, means preparing dhokla from besan and suji is the first version and preparing dhokla by adding some flour is the second version. Right, in that way recently I watched a movie, it is called Bawarchi. Bawarchi 1972, the lead actor was Rajesh Khanna. Right, this is the original version of that movie. Means this is the original movie, but later if you watch this movie Bawarchi, and then you will know that this movie has inspired many other movies in later times. For example, hero number 1, Salman Khan's Jai Ho. These movies were mostly inspired by this movie Bawarchi 1972. That means Bawarchi in 1972 is the original or first version and these movies are the second version. Now suffice it to say, the essence is that what UPSC wants from you is to be the first version, not the second version. That means UPSC wants the originality, the original you within you. Then when I say original you, then how to gather that originality, how to find that originality, how to discover that originality. So when I have told you that you have to derive the originality, then how to get that originality? Let's see, there are some measures I have provided. These are very basic, but it will ultimately help you. So let's see, first thing is that stop taking notes from others. The moment you became ready to prepare for the exam, I am telling each of my students that this is no way similar to your college and university exam where you collected notes after notes and then vomited them in the exam hall. No, never. That's why here you have to stop collecting notes from others and better you have to prepare your notes yourself. Yes, you might ask me, then you do not know how to prepare the notes. Yes, for that reason you can collect some sample notes and you can study them. Right, but that does not mean that you will copy as it is those notes to your copy. You can read those notes, you can study and observe those notes, but what you have to do yourself is that to prepare your notes yourself. Those notes are only some basic guidance to you regarding prepare notes. Get it? Then a second mistake, this is a very huge mistake every aspirant is doing. They are watching YouTube channels for Hindu newspaper analysis. So my suggestion is stop watching YouTube channels for Hindu newspaper analysis. Why I am telling you? Because it has totally undermined your creative capabilities, which is the utmost requirement of UPSC. What you are doing, you have listened to an analysis and then you are writing what that guide is telling to you. Means what the teacher is telling in the video, you have copied those guidance in your notebook. Right. So my suggestion is Stop watching YouTube channels for Hindu newspaper analysis. And again, you might ask me then how to prepare notes from newspaper. My suggestion is again the same, that do not stop watching YouTube channels for Hindu newspaper analysis. Yes, watch them and take the ideas how they have used, how they have analyzed the newspaper. This is more important for you to know the rule, how they are analyzing the newspaper. That does not mean that you will copy them. Just know the trick how to analyze the newspaper and then use your own innovation. Right? Then the third universal tip I am going to give you: stop copying others' timetables or schedules, because there is no fixed timetable or schedules for each student. It varies from student to student. Right? So if any student is studying throughout the night, if any student is studying throughout the day, if any particular topper has given you any particular schedule, these are not to be strictly followed. These are only to take some guidance or to be inspired by their schedules or timetable. Right? Then a fourth important tip is that start making questions yourself, and then answering to those questions yourself. This is very, very, very important tip. And this is the best way to explore your learning process. When you are reading a chapter or when you are reading a particular topic, try to frame the questions yourself, keeping in front of the UPSC pattern. Right? Means try to frame questions yourself and then start answering those questions yourself. It will level up, believe me, it will level up your preparation up to the next level. And the most interesting fact here is that the interesting thing is that you are the examiner and the examinee together. Means you are the examiner and you are the examinee also. And this is one of the innovative way to prepare UPSC. And you might ask me that how to know how to frame questions. If you are in intermediate level, then you should start doing this. Because once you get into the syllabus, once you get familiarized with the requirement of the UPSC, then you will know that how UPSC frame questions. Right. Then another thing is that explore observation and analysis. Here I am going to give you a tip. You know that we all know that we like to read novel and stories. But if the same novel, if the same poem is included in your syllabus, then it becomes boring for us. That means we do not enjoy anything, any particular novel or poem. Even we do not enjoy a movie if it is included in our syllabus. That means whenever we get something in our syllabus, our mind is fixed on that point. That means we do not want to enjoy that beyond that level. And here there is a division from the college and university. In college and university syllabus, you do not need to explore the topic. Right, but UPSC, the syllabus of UPSC gives you immense opportunity to explore a particular topic. That means whatever you are reading, it is international level or Indian society, history, you can explore the topic. You can boost up your preparation and you can enjoy yourself. Right, so when you use the syllabus as an enjoyment, as a source of enjoyment, when you use the syllabus to enrich your knowledge from the viewpoint of enjoyment, then obviously you will get interested in that syllabus. Right, so stop taking notes from others, stop watching YouTube channels for Hindu newspaper analysis, stop copying others' timetable or schedules, start making questions yourself and then answering to those questions yourself. Explore observation and analysis. These are very important measures if you want to boost up your preparation in a very innovative way, and it will make you the trainer. It will make you the trainer of UPSC exam. Means be your own trainer, right? And to excel in these capabilities, you need to adopt some habits. You have to put up these habits in your usual study program. So these slight changes you can put up in your study pattern, and you can get the original you, which is hidden inside you. So what are these necessary changes? Let's see. So change the learning pattern. I have already told you, think, explore, and fun. Try to explore, try to think, try to analyze, and be fun in your study. Right? So analysis, thinking, exploration, and fun. If you include these in your study behavior, study pattern, then it will immensely help your UPSC preparation. For example, Maurya architecture. When you read the chapter from NCERT, you will find that most of the Maurya architecture are made of wood. If you are a school level student, then you are simply reading that, you are simply remembering that Maurya architecture is made of wood. But as a UPSC student, you have to analyze, you have to explore, okay, why wood? Why wood is the only medium to make architecture in Maurya period? Right? In that way, examine yourself beyond those lines. Explore yourself beyond those lines. It will be fun, it will be entertaining, it will be knowledgeable, and it will enhance your UPSC preparation. Then innovate. Innovate means you need not to innovate like Thomas Alva Edison. What you need to innovate is innovate new ideas and put up those ideas in your notes and answer. That innovation is enough. And next thing is the creativity. Creativity means you need not to be a writer. Means you need not to write poems and stories. What is creativity mean? Here, creativity means you have to connect different things to the syllabus, to the particular topics of the syllabus, and how to use some particular data, how to use some particular observation in problem solving. This type of creativity you have to adopt. Then enjoy. I have already told you how to enjoy, whether you are reading history, society, or international relation. Try to use these topics to enhance your knowledge, to see the world, to see the perspectives around you, and that it will be enjoyable for you. So these are some basic rules which will help you to be the best, to be the trainer of yourself. Right? So it will help immensely, believe me, if you adopt these rules, it will immensely help to be the trainer of you in the course of UPSC preparation. So take care of your health, take care of your study. I'll come again with another video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.